Hey everybody, welcome back to Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Now, what is a great snack for a party? But jalapeno poppers, especially if they're bacon wrapped. Let's get to it. Alright, so we've already browned up some sweet Italian sausage here. Now this will be very nice and mellowing out the spice from my jalapenos, make it enjoyable for everybody. So we're going to take about a block of cream cheese we've had laying out and softening. We're going to dump this into the bowl and take a fork and work it together. Now you want to make sure that your cream cheese is extra soft. It helps in stirring it in. Even if you have to nuke it for a few seconds, just make sure everything combines well. There we go. And you're wondering, Uncle Bud, what's with the gloves? Well, I'm getting ready to cut up some jalapenos. And if you've ever gotten your fingers into freshly cut peppers, especially chili peppers, you'll know that the capsaicin can linger for a while. And it burns, even through just a touch of skin, and it is not enjoyable. Now, if that does happen, if you happen to have some hand sanitizer around, the type with alcohol base, wash your hands in that. The alcohol will help cut down the capsaicin. It is alcohol soluble. Good little trick to have. Don't just use water. Now, that is well mixed. Next, we'll go ahead and we'll cut up our peppers, take the membranes and seeds out. Be a little more generous to your friends who can't take the heat. Alright, we have about 6 good sized jalapenos here. They're firm, nice green color. Now they say the darker the pepper, the hotter it is. So these are about a medium. Should be pretty good. I believe they're somewhere around 5,000 the Scoville scale. Now the Scoville scale, if you're unaware, is a measure of unit where how many drops of water it takes to negate the spiciness of a pepper. Green bell peppers are 1. Jalapenos are 5,000. And you can get up into your jokums, which is the ghost pepper, your habaneros, and I believe the hottest that's current is the Carolina Reaper. I could be wrong on that. And it's over 2 million, I believe. Now when you're taking the membrane out, take your paring knife, cut it pretty clean. If you got any extra seeds, just take your gloved hand, take a finger in there, and scrape it out. Be nice and clean, like this. Alright, now that our peppers are all cut up, let's get them stuffed. Let's take a nice big one. Now you want to overstuff these because you don't want to blow out inside of either your oven or your smoker, however you want to cook. I'll be putting them on the smoker again today because I do enjoy using my smoker. Just enough. Now we got sliced up some pepper jack to add a little more flavor. Lay that right on top. Now we'll take a strip of our bacon. The bacon's a little stretchy, so don't worry about if it looks like it won't fit. Take it around, bring it back. Grab a toothpick here. Pin that right through the side. Like so. Isn't that lovely? Let's do another one. Take all our cream cheese and sausage. Smooth it out. Slice of cheese. Slice of bacon. Wrap it around. Like so. Toothpick. Right through the side to hold everything. Watch yourself, make sure you don't prick your finger. There we go. Let's do one more for good measure. Just because it looks so pretty the first time. A little sausage, a little cheese, a little bacon. Wrap like so. toothpick. And there we go. There we go. Now we're going to finish these up and get them out on the smoker. Alright guys, so just pulled the poppers off the smoker. They were only about 45 minutes. Cooked about 325 that entire time. And they look wonderful. Let's try one. Make sure you take that toothpick out so you don't buy anything sticking you in the throat. Mmm. It is delicious. It's nice jalapeno, the bacon, that pepper jack we put on there, nice and cheesy. That is delicious. Hey, thanks for joining us today on Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner so you know when our videos come out. And please comment below. We'll see y'all next time.